Hello students, this topic is development of embryo of class 8 chapter reproduction in animals. In this chapter or in this topic I am going to make you understand development of embryo, or you can say the different stages of embryo. I have already made you understand about the fertilization. Fertilization means what? Fusion of gamete. What do we say? We say fusion of gamete. Right after the fusion of gamete, what is formed? Zygote is formed. क्या फॉर्म करता है? जाइगोट का फॉर्मेशन होता है. वी कैन से दैट दिस जाइगोट इज द फर्स्ट सेल ऑफ द बेबी, फर्स्ट सेल ऑफ द बेबी, एंड द सेम जाइगोट start dividing rapidly. It divides rapidly, and when it divides rapidly, then do you know what it does? It starts becoming a group of cells. Zygote is only single cellular structure, a single cellular structure. Now it starts developing and dividing. When it divides, it becomes group of cells. That we know, we can say callus, like a bunch of cells, you can say. This is called, means first day of fertilization to the two continuous weeks. पहले दिन से लेके 2 वीक्स तक जो इनमें डिवीजन होता है और जो इनमें डेवलपमेंट होता है, उस पीरियड को हम कहते हैं जर्मिनल पीरियड. व्हाट इट इज सेड? इट इज सेड जर्मिनल स्टेज और जर्मिनल पीरियड. इन दिस पीरियड डू यू नो व्हाट हैपन? एक सिंगल सेल जो है वो एक टिश्यू का फॉर्मेशन कर लेता है, एक ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स का फॉर्मेशन कर लेता है. Then what happened? Then 2 to 4th, you can say 2 to or you can say 3rd to 8 weeks. 3rd to 8 weeks में ये जो bunch of tissues हैं या bunch of cells हैं वो डेवलप करना शुरू करते हैं, and this stage is known as embryonic stage. What it is called? Embryonic stage. In this stage what happen? A baby start getting its formation. जो बेबी है वो अपना फॉर्मेशन लेना शुरू करता है. मीन्स वेयर विल बी द आईज, वेयर विल बी द ईयर्स, वेयर विल बी द नोज, एंड वेयर विल बी द हैंड्स और लेग्स. दीज ऑल फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट्स इन अ बेबी. ये फॉर्मेशन जो है वो बेबी में स्टार्ट हो जाता है. राइट आफ्टर दैट, दिस इज कॉल्ड एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज. राइट आफ्टर दैट यू कैन से फ्रॉम 9th week until the birth of a baby. 9th week से लेकर के till the birth of a baby, it is known as fetus. What it is known as? Fetus. And this period is what called fetal period. This period or this stage is what called fetal stage. What happened in this period? In this stage or in this period, already in embryonic stage, formation is taken. Formation, you can say that the organs where is to be the parts of the body, that is decided. Now they start developing. Means what? Eyes starts become bigger, hands, legs, different parts of the bodies starts getting visible. Now they are in development stage. They start developing. So you may have noticed, no, as the baby grow, the mother's womb becomes bigger. Why? Because the baby is developing now. So this stage is known as fetal stage. What it is known as? Fetal stage. And this period of the baby or this growth of the baby stage is known as fetus. That particular days baby is called fetus. What it is called? Fetus. So this was the different stages. This was the different stages what I made you understand. What happened actually? As the zygote is formed, it gets embedded in the uterus. It gets embedded in the uterus wall, and this embedding process is known as implantation. इस embedding process को क्या कहते हैं? Implantation कहते हैं. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Implantation. Okay, and the growth of the baby from first days to 280 days. You know, in mother womb approximately 280 days baby remains. So this whole period is known as gestation period. इस पीरियड को हम क्या कहते हैं? इस पीरियड को हम gestation period कहते हैं. And when the baby take birth or comes out from the mother's body, that particular process is known as, or the birth of the baby is known as parturition. What it is called? It is called parturition. So this is all about development of embryo. In the same topic, there is viviparous and oviparous animals. Viviparous animals are giving the birth of baby. Whosoever animals are involved in giving the birth of the baby, they are called viviparous. What they are called? Viviparous. And all those who lay eggs. वैसे एनिमल्स जो पहले अंडे देते हैं and then that after hatching the eggs, baby comes out. What comes out? Baby comes out. So they are what called? They are called oviparous animals. What they are called? They are called oviparous animals. And giving the birth of a baby, this is what is known as viviparous animals. So higher animals, human beings, cats, dogs, buffaloes, cows, goat, they are viviparous or oviparous? Exactly, they are viviparous. And frogs, fishes, hen, geese, or these all are what? The birds, they are oviparous. They lay eggs and after some time baby comes out from the eggs. So this is all about the development of embryo and the oviparous and viviparous animals. I am sure you people have understood it well. If you have understood, then I would request you, please write comment, subscribe the channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you all of you and wait for the next topic of the same chapter. Thanks once again.